Minimally invasive surgery and bariatric surgery is actually really fascinating. In my opinion, it's very important that we push the envelope. We're now using traditional surgical techniques and combining them with new technology, with the endoscopes or laparoscopes where we make tiny incisions and go inside and can treat problems. I think we can always do something better for our patients. We can give them either less pain with the surgery, we can reduce the scars they have, we reduce the recovery. It's extremely important in today's world when everything is rushed that you actually need to listen to patients. It's important to not just put them all in a box because everybody's individual. That's why we became doctors, to help people. I love being a doctor. It's my dream from a little boy to the day came true. I really enjoyed helping people every day.